Pain is a part of life, but suffering? Suffering is a choice. We all experience heartbreak, disappointment, loss. At some point in our lives, we all reach a moment where everything we knew, everything we believed in, suddenly feels like it's crumbling around us. Maybe it's the end of a relationship. Maybe it's the loss of a loved one. Maybe it's a betrayal, a broken dream, or wounds from the past that still feel fresh. And in those moments, healing can feel impossible, like the pain will never end. But I want to tell you something: you are not broken. You are not your past. You are healing, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. And today, I want to take you on a journey through the art of healing. This is not just about moving on. This is about transforming your pain into strength, about finding yourself again, about rediscovering the joy that still exists in the world. Because joy is still there, waiting for you. Let's begin. 1. Acknowledge your pain. Healing begins with one thing: honesty. Pretending you're okay doesn't heal you. Suppressing your emotions doesn't make them disappear. Take a deep breath. What are you feeling right now? Is it sadness, anger, loneliness? Let yourself feel it. Don't run from your emotions, acknowledge them. Because the truth is, the only way out of pain is through it. Take out a journal. Write down what's in your heart. If you need to cry, cry. If you need to scream, scream. Your feelings are not a weakness. They are a sign that you are human. The first step to healing is to feel. 2. Find inner stillness. Pain creates noise. It fills our minds with endless thoughts, regrets, what ifs. The past replays on a loop. But healing happens in stillness. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and slowly breathe out. In moments of stillness, we begin to see things clearly. We start to understand that we are not our pain, that our thoughts do not define us. Meditation, deep breathing, prayer, these are powerful tools to calm the storm inside. When was the last time you truly sat in silence? No distractions, no scrolling, no noise. Try it, even for just a few minutes. Because when we slow down, healing begins. 3. Let go of what no longer serves you. Holding onto pain is like holding onto a burning coal. It only hurts you. Ask yourself, what am I holding onto that is keeping me stuck? A toxic relationship? A painful memory? The guilt of past mistakes? Healing requires release. This might mean blocking a number, writing a letter you'll never send, letting go of the need for closure. Because sometimes, peace comes from accepting the apology you never received. You deserve freedom, and freedom begins when you let go. 4. Move your body. Did you know that pain gets trapped in the body? Trauma isn't just in your mind. It lives in your muscles, your posture, even your breath. That's why movement is powerful. Exercise, dance, stretch, walk. When you move your body, you move your emotions. You release tension. You shake off the past. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, move. Because healing isn't just mental, it's physical too. 5. Rewrite your story. Your pain is just one chapter. It is not the whole book. You have the power to rewrite your story. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? Write it down. Speak it out loud. I am healing. I am worthy of love. I am strong. Your words shape your reality. Start speaking kindness to yourself. Rewrite the narrative. Because you are not your past, you are your future. 6. Seek joy again. Healing isn't just about removing pain. It's about inviting joy back in. Ask yourself, what makes you feel alive? Is it painting, music, traveling, reading, cooking? Even in the smallest ways, bring joy back into your life. Watch a funny movie. Call an old friend. Walk barefoot in the grass. Because happiness doesn't just come to you, it's something you build. And it's time to start building. 7. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. You are not weak for struggling. You are not broken for feeling pain. Would you talk to a friend the way you talk to yourself? So many of us are kind to others but cruel to ourselves. It's time to change that. Look in the mirror. Say these words: I am enough. I am doing my best. I deserve love and happiness. Because you do. You really do. Healing isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And even on the hardest days, you are still moving forward. Surround yourself with positivity. You become what you surround yourself with. If you constantly consume negativity, negative news, toxic relationships, or self-doubt, your healing will slow. Instead, ask yourself, what energy am I allowing into my life? Are my friendships uplifting me or draining me? Do I consume content that makes me feel inspired or discouraged? Am I in an environment that nurtures my growth? Start making conscious choices. Read books that inspire you. Watch content that lifts your spirit. Spend time with people who make you feel lighter, not heavier. Healing is easier when you're surrounded by light. 9. Find purpose in your pain. What if your pain had a purpose? I know that might sound impossible, but hear me out. Every struggle you've faced has shaped you. Every heartbreak, every setback, every moment of darkness, they have made you wiser, stronger, more compassionate. What if you could use your experience to help someone else? Share your story. Your words could heal someone else. Help others. Volunteer, mentor, or simply be there for someone who's struggling. Turn your pain into growth. Use it as fuel to become the best version of yourself. Because one day, you will look back and realize, your hardest moments led you to your greatest strength. 10. Open your heart to love again. When we've been hurt, it's easy to close ourselves off. To build walls. To say, I'll never love or trust again. But here's the truth. Love didn't hurt you. The wrong person did. Love is still out there. In friendships. In family. In the kindness of strangers. And one day, when you're ready, in a love that will feel safe, healthy, and real. But first, love yourself. Because the way you love yourself will set the standard for how others love you. 11. Embrace new beginnings. Musical note. Scene. A sunrise, a person stepping outside with a fresh sense of hope, a blank journal page, someone packing a suitcase for a new adventure. Healing is not just about letting go of the past, it's about embracing the future. Pain changes us, but that doesn't mean it has to define us. Who do you want to become? What dreams have you put on hold? What parts of yourself have you forgotten? Now is the time to start again. A new version of you. A stronger, wiser, happier version. Try something new. Take a trip. Learn a skill. Make a change. Your story is not over. A new chapter is waiting. Are you ready to begin again? Healing is not a straight line. Some days will be easier than others. But every step you take brings you closer to peace. You are stronger than you think. You are worthy of love. And even after pain, joy is still possible. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this message. Comment below. What is one step you are taking to heal today?